Hi there, this is Catherine. So today I'm at the Dollarama and I'm just having a browse through the Easter section to see what they have that's new for this year. So they have tons of these cute little stuffed animals. So I think these would be great for gift giving, like if you have some little kids to buy for. And here's some uh, Easter headbands. So those are always great because you can add them to gift baskets, and so they're fun at parties for people to wear. Or, of course, you can buy them for kids to wear if they're going Easter egg hunting. So here's some really fun little craft projects for kids. They had some ceramic bunnies and ceramic eggs for painting, and they were a good price, around $4. And here's some Easter or spring colored yarn. And so they had tons and tons of craft projects at really good prices. Like these eggs are only $2. So I think that's great. You could either use the paint um, that you have already, or you could get some Toll paint. And I was really impressed by all the craft projects. And I just thought they had a really good selection, and the prices were really reasonable. So these are some, they're like little vinyl toys, and you can color them with markers, and they're around $3. And overall, I was just really impressed by the selection of uh, crafts, and they also had a really nice selection of gift bags. So this is nice if you have to buy some friends or family members some Easter gifts, or they also had these little bags here. And I think that would be really great for kids if they're doing an Easter egg hunt, because then they can put any of the eggs that they find into the bags. So these were a really cool idea. They were chocolate shells in the shape of a rabbit, and they come apart so that you can fill them with candy. And I just thought that was really fun to be able to make your own um, filled candy, and so that you can customize them. And they also had a really awesome selection of plastic eggs and toys. I really liked the designs. They had some that were kind of like peeps, or had like little emoji faces on them. And they also had some just in a whole bunch of different styles. Here's some dinosaur eggs, and I was just really impressed, especially since just earlier today I had been into Michael's looking at their eggs, which were more traditional. So I thought it was nice to have the different variety here at the dollar store. I just found that their designs are a little bit more creative. And so here's some of the decorating items. So this is like a little organza skirt for baskets, and here's some of the this is sort of like a plastic bowl for putting little items in, and they also had lots of nice household items like baskets and also gift wrap for making Easter baskets. The Dollarama had a really nice selection of home decor items. Here you can see are a bunch of little ceramic bowls. So that was around $2. And they also had lots of nice candles and votives. So I really enjoy springtime colors. I think it's so refreshing after the cold winter time. So it's just so nice to see all these little rabbits and springtime animals, as well as the pastel colors. And there's definitely lots to choose from. So I think it'd be great for picking stuff up if you want to decorate your living room to just bring some springtime atmosphere in, or if you like to decorate your dining room table for spring as well. You're definitely going to find lots to choose from. And here you can see our more craft. These are the baking items. So this is really fun because cupcakes are always a big hit, especially if you like to bring them into the office. I used to love bringing cupcakes into the office. They always were a big hit. So it's fun to be able to customize them with different cupcake wrappers and different decorations. And well, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.